Hello everyone. As you guys are aware, getting an iPad Pro 12.9 case is very difficult right now. As of now, Apple says the back date is December 13th, 2018. So right now we only have one good option from otterbox Asymmetry 360 series, which is what you're looking right now. Let's look at this one. This is released on last week, and then there's only one color you have right now. Let's look at unboxing that one. This has a drop protection, clear scratch resistant exterior, multi position stand, and auto wake sleep. This is one of the recommended product by Apple, and it is available only at Apple Store only. As you look at it, the case is pretty sturdy, and then it's very lightweight. It's not even heavy at all. As you can see, it is pretty good, pretty solid, pretty good. And only drawback is it doesn't have a keyboard, and then the price range is $89 when you compare to iPad Surface iPad Pro keyboard, which is $199, I believe. That's satisfying moment. Let's see if iPad Pro fits in right away without any hassle. There you go. It perfectly snaps, no issues. Just ignore my fingerprints. And there you go, auto wake and sleep, no issues. And also one good thing with this is it can hold your Apple Pencil. You don't need to worry about whether it is dropping or it's gonna stay or not. And one thing you gotta remember is do not buy cases in Amazon without checking where you can keep the Apple Pencil. Looks, I feel it's very protective. Let's look at the design. I mean, it has some spaces for speakers and then SIM card. This is the volume buttons, and there you go for the USB-C charging port and the speakers.